Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ya ke Phlim juga Pradip Kurbah ke belai kerteng. Lyngkha Bneng, kelasya ajit Pyni Paidbah haku opening film of Cinema Lia Arpaway hadong ba Manila jong ke Philippines. Ka Cinema Lia kedega tamasa Pyni Phlim ke bahe hakari Philippines, but nagari India ke Phlim jong ba Pradip kelasya ajit Pyni hakani ke tamasa. Kani kedega sien ke ba Arpaway ban penlong kedega tamasa, bat ke pang pedeng metaus nem kedai layak sa alon hangren at unos. Uba Pradip uloong bakani gede ke jing skong sarong baga Phlim khasi naga jela ka bakendong ka badan hakathan chatai la mingi kala sha jit bandrong hakani ka tamasa. Shuwa yakani ka Phlim Lyngkha Bneng kala yo bandrong haka Moscow International Film Festival bat kala yo ka khusnam Golden Saint George for Best Film, Silver Saint George for Best Director, bat ka Net Pack Award for Best Asian Film. Jaga Phlim on Pyni Paidbah haka laitrik urusau aracar apusan haka por nyobije harat carpet cinema etsa Shangri Laha Manila.
Should do I tama. Miss Helen, liya suat sanga.
Kan long kom no sarai. Kau gangam lut barok spoken low.
Lo ayap tu meh. Mem tip isu na.
Mam susi na mana klemwat ya jing kemen ka juk ka jaka bang adu ya ka.
Don ayu shahalan.
Ban suyu i kan yang kalau kam dah lele. Apa mat tolong kerja ke.
Eryong babeger te.
Kita pin ped bha. Pin i man la ubay pa ubay pitor thili udap de khana.
Man ka jing khang kadan ka jing mi sha koi pat ka jaka
Tip syuk kan long kom na lada. Yap sama mana ni.
Masyak kem jeng ruai.
Cumudur ni meh keteng ruai.
Mudur cerai you.
Jailhouse rock.
Hello everyone, this is Dr. Madan Kumar, working as an associate professor in Christian Medical College, Vellore, in Pediatric Respirology Department. My main treatment would be with pediatric lung disorders such as asthma, recurrent chest infection, and then recurrent cough. So the importance of this is, if you diagnose it first and if you treat it properly, long term the child will have a normal life. If you are not going to treat the child properly, what happens is the quality of life of the child decreases. That is manifested like not studying properly, not playing properly, and not behaving properly. So when we try to treat these things, the respiratory infections properly, most of the times they get better and have a good quality of life. So I am here to screen the children who have respiratory problem. I will be available in Dr. H. Gordon's Robert Hospital from October 1 to October 15 between 10 to 1 p.m. Thank you.